Discover a safer way to move unladen trailers with the Mastermover trailer moving system. Achieve the efficient movement of trailers, both during the manufacturing process and within logistics operations. Benefit from improved visibility and unrivaled maneuverability, enabling trailers to be moved in the tightest of spaces with confidence. Delivering zero emissions, the trailer moving system is a trusted alternative to lorries and shunters. Keep your operators safe with features including an automatic brake, anti-crush system, customizable speed controls, emergency stop system, and audible and visual warnings. Be confident in a safe operation every time. High-performance batteries ensure your trailer moving system is ready to work when you need it. A clear battery display ensures you know when charging is required. Benefit from total control inside, outside, and on slopes. A secure kingpin connection allows you to easily connect to any trailer with the trailer moving system. And an optional air compressor makes engaging the trailer brakes quick and simple. Create safer, more efficient material handling processes with the trailer moving system. Compact solutions for trailer manufacturing and logistics operations.